Hello folks, this is Jerry, and this is the unboxing video of my new welding machine from Stahlwerk, Germany. I bought it for almost 160 euro here in France. This is a Flux cord wire inverter welding machine. It's made in Germany. Stahlwerk. Guard. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung nasa loob nito. Let me see what is inside. This is my second welding machine from here in Europe. My other one is in the Philippines now. I sent it last year. And it's working good. It's I think this is 50 and 60 hertz power current. Yes, power frequency. This is good for the Philippines also. So mga kababayan, mag-unbox tayo ng aking bagong welding machine. Stahlwerk from Germany. Napagandang klase nito, kaya dito ako bumibili. Napaganda ng mga klase ng mga ganitong gamit na pwedeng gamitin sa atin sa construction. Ito po ay merong kung bibili kayo dito, kung nandito kayo sa Europe, bibili kayo, titingnan agad niyo kung 50 or 60 hertz. Pwede 50 to 60 hertz. Pwede kung 50 lang, medyo hindi magandang gamitin sa atin, medyo nag-overheat siya dahil nga sa atin 60 Hz yung power frequency. Pwede naman, kaya lang yun nga ang issue, nag-overheat. Okay, let's unbox it. Actually, hindi pa ako nakagamit ng Flux cord wire na welding machine. Ito yung aking first time. Tetestingin natin pag na-unbox natin. Okay, let's do it. Yeah. Buksan natin. Lagyan silyado. At makikita naman nyo sa karton na napakagandang klase. Dito tulad ng mga made in China na sa karton na lang makikita nyo na napaka low quality. Ayan. Okay. So, ayan. Ayan. Ito. Important note. Ayan o. Mga ganito pa sila o. Nakita nyo sa papel talagang napaka-premium quality. Ayan, ano to? Para to yung yung code kung gusto mong mag-download ng application sa PC or sa CP. And this is the manual. Ano sa papel It's premium quality. Even in the papers. Okay, what is this? Let's start here. Okay. Side natin. Makita niyo ng ayos to. Ito yung mga cable. Ayan. Yung mga cable. Yung cable sa Flux, yung lalabas na wire dito. Buksan natin. Let's open it. Okay. the nozzle. Focus ba? Yan. Ito yung nozzle. Ito lumalabas yung wire. May wire dito lumalabas. Ito. Yung flux niya. Okay. Another one. And this is the ground. The ground cable. Pati mga cable, high quality oh. Premium na premium talaga, ang ganda. Andito yung mga nozzle. Kung magpapalit kayo ng sizes ng mga... Ayan. Ito yung nilalagay sa anti-heat. Ayan. Sa dulo. Ito yung mga ruler sa loob ng ating welding machine. Mamaya pakita ko sa inyo. And this is the nozzle. Yes. The different sizes. If you want to use different sizes of flux wire, 8 mm, 6 mm. Diba? And this is the hammer. And this is the steel brass. Steel brass. And this is the bag cover for our welding machine. Okay, put this here. Now, and here she is. Oh la la. Tan tan tan. Okay. Let's put it here. Let's put it here. Yeah. Here she is. Stahlwerk. Wow. This is the main cable. Saan lumalabas yung ating flux wired, and this is the ground. And this is the power. Like this. Let me show you how. We put it here. Put it here. Yes, and look, and this one is here. Voila. Like that. And then our ground is here. Voila. And this is a compartment for the wire, for the flux wire here. Fortunately, I don't have wire. I don't have flux wire, that's why we cannot test it right now. Perhaps tomorrow we can test it, and we can we'll teach you how to put the wire here, the flux wire here. Voila. I think the ruler goes here. Let's remove that. Okay. And I think this ruler goes here. Yes, to change here. This is a 6 millimeter, 0.6 millimeter, and this is 0.8 millimeter to change here. Voila, it's like that. If you want to. So guys, I want to show you how to put our flux wire here in our welding machine. So first we remove this screw. Voila, look, and then we put our wire here. The spring again. Sorry, in this way. Voila. And look, this ruler has 1.0 mm here, and the other sides is 0.8 millimeter. So make sure that the position of the ruler is like this, because the 8 is here and our wire is 8 mm. That's why we put in the front 8, not like this. This is 1 mm. You put 0.8 millimeter. Okay. So we put here. And then put this cap to lock the ruler. And then so, okay guys, put it here in the spring here up to here, and then look,